everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a very exciting video. Recently I have become a Gerard Cosmetics affiliate, so I have a PR package to show you guys. This is my first PR package from Gerard Cosmetics, so yes, I cannot wait. Also, if you guys are wondering what is on my eyes, it is the Be Perfect Cosmetics Stacey Marie Carnival palette. This palette is so freaking stunning and I just love this look so much. On my lips is Can't Relate from Jeffree Star, as well as the Gerard Cosmetics Nude Lip Liner. So if you guys want to see what I got in my PR package and also what I purchased myself, then please stay tuned. This is the box it came in. It came with this little seal here, and then you open it up and it just looks like this, which is so cute. And then inside there was this card that says, "Thank you, Gerard Cosmetics." And it just says, "Hey beautiful, we hope you enjoy these goodies. Can't wait to see what you do with them. Love, the GC family." And it's actually handwritten, which I think is such a beautiful touch. Also, they just give you this little Gerard Cosmetics card here and just tell you what to hashtag. Let me show you what I purchased myself first. So I got a 3-pack of their setting sprays, which was the Stay All Day Rose, which this is a collab with Nakia Joy. I feel like I'm out of frame. This one is the Slay All Day. They're all Slay All Days, okay? This is the cucumber one, which as you can see is my fave. And then I have the lavender one. Star Powder in Sophia. The packaging is so gorgeous and bougie because it's gold. Nice big mirror. Has this little stopper. And this is what the powder looks like itself. I'm probably going to swatch a few of these things after I show everything, so yeah. I have one of their bullet lipsticks, which is Between the Sheets. It's a really gorgeous like nudish color. The nude lip liner, which is my fave. And I have the Hydra Matte liquid lipstick in Bare It All. So now I'm going to show you guys what I got in my PR package. So the first thing is this highlighting palette. And this is just what it looks like. So in here we have Grace, Marilyn and Lucy. These are all highlighters. So Grace, Marilyn, Lucy, as you can see, these are so stunning. So I got this Mystified Hydrating Facial Mist. This is amazing, especially if you love something like Fix Plus, but this is even more moisturizing and it smells, I can't even think of what this smells like, but it reminds me of something. It smells so nice anyway, and it just feels amazing on the skin. I will be repurchasing this time and time again. I got the BB Plus Illumination Facial Cream in Bridget. So this is just something you can mix in with your foundation or put on your cheekbones, but this one is in Bridget. It's this gorgeous pink shade. So stunning. I got 3 lip liners. I got Melrose Place, Bel Air and Cher, I don't know how people say it. Bel Air, Cher, Nude and Melrose Place. 90210, Ballet Slipper, Mile High, Double Shot and Bare It All. So these two I actually did by myself. I forgot to show this one. It's like a metallic. So yeah, these smell so freaking good and these are so comfortable. Oh, they smell like caramel crossed with vanilla. They're just gorgeous. And you know, I'm not going to say I like something just because I'm an affiliate. I truly do really love them. I'm going to show you guys the 4 bullet lipsticks that I have. Buttercup, Fairy Godmother, Kamichi Doll and Between the Sheets. The last 2 things, Slay Away the Day Makeup Removing Balm. It's 100 mils and this is in the scent Peach. This is similar to the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm, where it just kind of removes all your makeup. It is really, really amazing. I want to actually do a demo of this, so let me know if you guys want to see it. It might even just be like a little Instagram story or something where I take my makeup off with this. And if you love peaches, divine. Lastly, I have the brow bar to go in blonde to brunette. So this is gorgeous. You get this tiny little eyebrow brush, which is actually pretty decent to travel with, to be honest. You get a little mirror inside, which I don't want to blind you guys, and then you get a darker color, a lighter color, and a wax. I will swatch these two for you. So this is the darker shade and this is the lighter shade, if you can see that. So yeah, that was everything. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Also, I'm gonna let you guys know, don't feel like you have to at all, but if you guys want to try out any Gerard Cosmetics, you can just use the code MiaSparkles for 30% off store-wide. I do make a little bit of commission from this, so if you don't want to use my code, that's completely fine, but I just thought I would let you guys know. A huge shout out to Jen Gerard and the whole GC squad. Absolutely love you guys, and so happy to be part of the team. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, beauties. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for your support, even though I'm not very hugely active, but that is going to change in the new year, trust me. I will see you all next year. Bye.